In this tutorial, you'll create and launch a YouTube stream in Gyre in just a few steps. First, open live streams and click Add Stream. Select YouTube as the platform. Next, choose Connect with YouTube. Click Add New Channel to connect a new YouTube account, or select the channel that's already connected. Now, fill in your stream details. Add the title, description, and tags, then upload a thumbnail. Choose the privacy level and set the audience as Made for Kids or Not Made for Kids. Next, select an existing stream key or create a new one. If you want the stream to end automatically after all files finish playing, enable Auto Stop. Click Create. Now add your content. Click Add Videos or Add Playlist. Then select what you want to stream. You can change the order by dragging files or using the arrows. You can also delete individual videos or remove the entire playlist if needed. If any file is highlighted in red, it doesn't match the parameters of the first video in the list. Reorder the files, adjust the file settings, or remove unsupported videos. When everything looks good, click Save. To go live, return to the stream list and click Start. That's it. Your stream is now running on YouTube.